Good morning, Standard 5. Welcome to my class, children. I am Bulbul Gupta, your maths teacher of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So, children, today's topic is I am going to start unit number 15, and the topic is temperature. Temperature means how hot and cold the object is. So, let us take, for example, this is a pressure cooker. The steam is coming out from this container. It means it is hot. This is hot. So we can't touch this hot material, right? See, the steam is coming out from this cooker. Okay, see, the steam is coming out. It is a hot. And then again, and this is the water. It is cold. It is cold water, and that is, the cooker is hot. So this determination of hot and cold, that is hotness and coldness of the body, that is this temperature is used. So how hot this cooker is, let's, for example, this is hot, the cup of tea is hot, right? So how hot it is, so we have to measure it. The measurement which is used to check the hotness of the body, that is called the temperature. Hotness and coldness of the body is called the temperature. Now let us see what is how do we know that the container is hot and cold? With the help of temperature. By measuring temperature, we can say that the body is hot and cold, whether the substance is hot and cold. So what is temperature? Temperature is the measure. Temperature is the measure used to check the hotness or coldness of the body. For example, fire. Fire is hot because its temperature is high. For example, ice. Ice is cold because its temperature is very much low. So the temperature is the measure used to check the hotness or coldness of the body. So this instrument, so we have to need an instrument to measure this temperature. Okay. So the instrument which is used to measure this temperature, the instrument which is used to measure the temperature of the body is called thermometer. The instrument which is used to measure the temperature of a body is called thermometer. Now here the unit which is used to measure this temperature, the unit which is used to measure this temperature is called degree, like this. Correct? So here there are two type of the thermometer is used. First one is Celsius. How many types of thermometer? Two types. First one is Celsius. Scale, and second one is based on Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale. There are two types of the scales are used here. Okay. First one, the thermometer which is based on Celsius scale, and the second one, the thermometer is based on Fahrenheit scale. In the Celsius scale, the freezing point is 0 degree centigrade and the boiling point is 100 degree centigrade. Right? It means the scale that is having in the thermometer, it starts from 0 and ends at 100 degree. Right? The scales that is used. And in case of Fahrenheit, the freezing point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. It means the lowest scale, the lowest point starts with 32 degree Fahrenheit and it ends at 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, this is the scale. The two types of scales are used. There are two types of thermometer. First thermometer is based on Celsius scale, where freezing point is 0 degree centigrade, boiling point is 100 degree centigrade. Second type of thermometer is based on Fahrenheit scale, Fahrenheit. So here the freezing point is 32 degree centigrade and the boiling point is 212 degree centigrade. Now do you know this children, the Celsius. The Celsius scale is named after Swedish astronomer A. Celsius. This Celsius scale is named after Swedish astronomer whose name is A. Celsius. And this Fahrenheit scale, this scale is named after a German scientist G. Fahrenheit. This Fahrenheit scale is named after a German scientist whose name is G. Fahrenheit. And the Celsius scale is named after an astronomer, that is Swedish astronomer A. Celsius. It is named after A. Celsius and it is named after G. Fahrenheit. Okay. Now let us move forward. I am going to erase it. Now in the hospital or in the clinic, a doctor used. So doctor is using a thermometer. Doctor used what type of thermometer? In order to measure the temperature of his patient. The thermometer that is used by the doctor is clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Right? The doctor used clinical thermometer, and the doctor is using every day in doctor using this clinical thermometer in order to measure the temperature of his patient. And the thermometer which is used by the doctor is called clinical thermometer. Now do you know children what is the temperature of a healthy adult? Temperature of a healthy adult. Temperature of healthy adult is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree centigrade. The temperature of a healthy adult is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. Okay. Now let us discuss about worksheet number 1. So now come to worksheet number 1, unit number 15. So here all of you see, come to question number 1. What is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body called? What is the measure of the hotness or coldness of a body called? Answer is temperature. Temperature is the measure of the hotness and the coolness of the body. Now come to question number 2. Name the instrument. Name the instrument used for measuring temperature. The instrument is thermometer. Instrument is thermometer. Thermometer. Right? Now question number 3. What is the name of the thermometer? What is the name of the thermometer used by a doctor? What is the name of the thermometer used by a doctor? What is the name? It is clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. Okay. Now let us come to the next question. Question number 4. So here in question number 4, name the two scales. Name the two scales used for measuring temperature. The two scales that I have told you, that first one is Celsius scale. Celsius scale, which is named after astronomer, Swedish astronomer A. Celsius, and second one is Fahrenheit scale. Two types of scales are used for measuring temperature. Now come to question number 5. In question number 5, what is the freezing point and the boiling point of water in the Celsius scale? So here all of you see that freezing point of water, freezing point of water in Celsius scale is 0 degree centigrade, and boiling point of water, in Celsius scale is 100 degree centigrade. Freezing point of water in Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius, and boiling point of water in the Celsius scale is 100 degree Celsius. Now let us go to the next question. Next question is 6. What is the freezing point and the boiling point of water in the Fahrenheit scale? Answer is freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale is what? 32 degree Fahrenheit, and boiling point of water in Fahrenheit scale is 212 degree Fahrenheit. So here all of you see that there are two scales are used for measuring the temperature. First one is Celsius scale and the second one is Fahrenheit scale. Now let us come to the next topic. Topic is conversion. Conversions of what? Conversions of Celsius scale into Fahrenheit scale. Okay. So here let us convert 50 degrees centigrade into Fahrenheit scale. Into Fahrenheit scale. So how we will convert it? First step, multiply this 50 by 9 by 5, right? So here 50 multiplied by 9 by 5. 5 divide 50 is divided by 5, it is 10. 10 into 9, it is 19. Now second step, this is first step. Second step, add 32 to 90. So 32 is added with 90, it is equals 122 degree Fahrenheit, right? So 50 degree centigrade, when it is converted into Fahrenheit, it is equal to 122. So 50 degree centigrade is equals 122 degree Fahrenheit, right? Now let us take go to the worksheet number 2. So here in worksheet number 2, question number 1. Convert the following temperature in Fahrenheit scale. For example, 20 degree centigrade. First step, multiply 20 with 9 by 5. That is equals to 5 4s are 20, 9 4s are 36. Now second step, add 32 with 36. That is equal to what? 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6. So 20 degree centigrade is equals 68 degree Fahrenheit. Right? So now let us move to the another example. Now all of you see, firstly let us convert this centigrade into Fahrenheit. First step, multiply this 20 with 9 by 5, you will get 36. Second step, add 32 with 36, which is equal to 68. So 20 degree centigrade is equal to 68 degree Fahrenheit. Now let us take another example. Example is B. 75 degree centigrade. First step, multiply this 75 with 9 by 5. Okay, so divide it, 15 5s are 75, right? 15 9s are 135. Now second step, add 32 to 135, right? That is equals, so add it 135 and 32. Add it, 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 3 6 and 1. So answer is 167. So 75 degree centigrade is equals 167 degree Fahrenheit. So similarly children, you have to, what is your C work and H work? Your C work is, you have to do worksheet number 1. C work is, worksheet number 1 is your C work and worksheet number 2 is your H work. So children, it is unit number 15, temperature. So if you have any kind of problem, so you may contact it. You have to do, this is worksheet number 1 is a C work, worksheet number 2 is an H work. So enjoy your class. I think you have enjoyed my class. Enjoy the day. Be safe, stay safe, and have a nice day. Bye bye, children.